I'm Aiman, and welcome back to one of my home improvement and DIY videos. This video is part of a little mini-series on ceiling light fixtures. That's also part of a larger series on us doing our renovations for this kitchen, which in our last video, we installed this Vecchio home range. So go check hood range, so go check that out if you're interested. In today's video, we're going to be talking about this right here. So this is a can light. It's called the can light because of this sort of cylindrical shaped hole that the light fixture is in. And I'm going to be showing you how to remove this little trim ring that's inside of this hole. In our case, we have a 7-inch wide can light, which is actually not that common nowadays. Nowadays, these can lights are about 5 to 6 inches wide, and 7-inch ones are like at least 40 years old. Not common nowadays. So if you have a situation like us where your can light is like 7 inches wide or in diameter, then this video is for you. So you might want to do this if you need to replace the bulb and for some reason you can't access it the way it is right now, or you might want to clean the ring, or in our case, you might want to paint the ring. In our case, it actually wasn't blue originally, it was white, and we removed them in order to paint them blue. Anyway, the procedure is very simple. All you have to do is get your fingers under it. You see? And then pull it down. If you can't grip onto it, you can try to use a some sort of wedge or screwdriver to get under it, but just pull this down. And you should see on the side that there are these springs. So these springs make it so that it doesn't just come crashing down when you're trying to take it out. It gives you a bit of flexibility in case you're just trying to take out the light. But if you want to fully take this out, all you have to do is clamp on these springs and take them out. There we go. Now we have access to the hole of the light fixture, and you can see just how everything comes together. And from here we can take out the light bulb if you want to. Yeah, and you can take it one step further. You can actually remove the ring on the inside if you want to clean it. It simply pops out and you can pop it back in. Sometimes when you take it out, there might be a foam ring around the inside of this, which might help to protect the outside of this rim against the inside of this. So just keep that in mind. The reason that this video is important is because if you don't have a 7-inch can lighting like we do, they actually used to make bulbs that were huge. They were long and they actually fit flush with the housing. Kind of like this one, but this one's actually smaller than the ones that they used to make. The thing is, we can't find the bulbs, and we haven't been able to find those kinds of bulbs for 7 to 8 years. So it's actually good that we're retrofitting these. So my next video is going to be on how to retrofit these 7-inch can lights with these new kinds of LED lights. And this is actually a really interesting problem. A lot of people on Reddit or on the internet have a similar problem with trying to retrofit these kinds of can lights because they actually don't make retrofit 7-inch LED lights. So if you're interested in that video, go check it out. But that's it for this video. It's a pretty simple procedure of how to take out these, they call them trim rings or recessed trim rings. My dad calls them baffle rings. Whatever you call them, I just showed you how to take them out. And if you want to put them back in, you just squeeze these springs, get one side in, get the other side in. There we go. It's hanging. And then you push it up. Anyway, I hope that helped you out. I'm Aiman. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. I look at videos on EyeOnAiman, especially the videos on the ceiling lights that we're doing. And go check out my other video on installing this hood range. And I'll see you there. But for now, I'm Aiman and signing out. Peace.